Do you know that 65% of realtors are going to fail? Hi, I'm Jim Roman, national speaker and business coach, and I was just told that statistic, that 65% of people in the real estate industry are going to fail. And I got to be honest with you, that really hurt me. That really crushed me. I've been working with realtors over the years, but I didn't know that statistic. A couple of months ago, I was called to create a course around how to sell 12 to 24 houses while having a life. And in doing the research on how to sell 12 to 24 houses while having a life, I came across the statistic that 65% of people in the real estate industry fail. Why? In fact, I posted onto Facebook saying, hey, I'm thinking about creating a course to help realtors sell more houses while having a life, specifically 12 to 24 houses. Would this be of value? And unanimously, people said yes. No one's really supporting that target market. So I want to do something about it. And so I want to invite you to join me on February 10th at 10 a.m. Eastern, where I'm going to share my findings. I found 5 things that cause realtors to succeed. Those same 5 things will cause you to fail. Specifically, I want to talk about the top 3 things that if you knew you can win at real estate, whether you're trying to sell 1 house a year to 20 houses a year, these 3 things will make a difference. And that's what I want to do. I want to make a difference. I want to change that statistic from 65% failing to 65 succeeding. So if you want to make real estate a real business while having a real life, join me February 10th, where I'll share my findings about how to get the 3 things you can do to win at real estate, to not only survive, but to thrive. I hope you'll join us. Again, I'm Jim Roman. The more you know, the more we grow.